Welcome to the personal property tour for 118 Fordell Road in Glenrothes. This is a spacious 3-bedroom terraced family home. You've got great lounge space, lovely dining kitchen area, you've got off-street parking, you have a timber garage, and you have a beautiful garden space to the rear as well. Really nice spacious dining kitchen as well, so it's a really great family home. You also have the benefit here of having one level living potentially, so it's future proofing as well. I'm just going to take you on the tour. Property here, so 118 is just here. So literally just here. This is your timber garage and your driveway. You've got your bin access here as well, but actually you're at the end of a quiet close, as you can see. So you're at the kind of turning circle, so no one's really coming down here unless you're visiting the property. And this is the entrance here. You've got your area front garden here as well. And immediately we go into the property, you'll see it's lovely and bright and spacious. So we come into the lower hallway. There are living room is on the upper level. Bedrooms are on the upper and lower, so we're going to start in the bedrooms. So we're going to go with bedroom number 1. So this is a great sized single room. Could be great for a home office as well. But quite high ceilings actually, so it's quite deceptive the space that you receive here. The window, lovely natural light coming in, and it overlooks the front garden as well, so really peaceful. So it'd be a great room for a young child or home office, private quiet working space. Then straight across the hallway we have bedroom number 2. So we're going to head into bedroom number 2. Again, it's a great sized room, as you can see here. So it's a lovely size, good size double. Overlooks the front garden as well, so again, really peaceful and quiet. You've got a lovely big cupboard here too, so lots of storage. And that's bedroom number 2. Then from here, we're going to head upstairs and we'll go to the other bedrooms and living areas. So bedroom number 3 is at the top of the house, and that's straight ahead. And this is a great sized double room, lovely and bright, nice and spacious, lovely and airy. It's a good sized double room. Just go over to this angle and let me see. And you have a big storage cupboard here as well. So nice and spacious third bedroom. Then from here, we'll go into the family bathroom. So family bathroom, straight ahead. So as you can see, you've got your WC, you've got your wash hand basin, and you've got your bath as well with your electric shower. It's a nice family bathroom. Then we go down just a few steps and we go into the lounge living area, and I love these double barn doors as well. It's a really nice sized room when you come in, as you can see. So bright and spacious with the double windows. Really high ceilings as well. You can hear the echo. It's a really nice spacious lounge area. And actually a real big bonus considering the size of the dining kitchen, which we'll see, and it overlooks the rear garden as well and the parkland. So you can see it's really peaceful and quiet. It's a great sized living space. And from here we'll start heading downstairs. So as we come downstairs, big bonus with this property as well, you also have a separate WC here. So just before we go into the kitchen, you've got a WC just at the side here. So again, you've got your sink and your WC in here, which is a real bonus if the kids are outside. You can just run straight into here, and that's then fixed ahead into the dining kitchen. It's a lovely sized room, nice and spacious, plenty of room for dining furniture, lots of space for your white goods as well, but it's a great sized room, isn't it? And you've got the big range here, you've got your extractor there, a lovely Belfast sink as well, and you also have a really big cupboard in here, so it's a great spacious room. This is great for entertaining with your family. It's a lovely big family home. You've got your Belfast sink, as I say, and it overlooks the rear garden, which is where we're going to head next. So as we come out into the rear garden, immediately you can see it's lovely and peaceful, nice and quiet. So you have this patio area here, and you come down here and you've got this lovely fruit trees going along the path walkway, nice flowers. You've got a timber gate at the bottom of the garden as well. So the timber gate is fabulous as well, because then that just takes you straight out into the park, which you can see, which is just over there. So surrounded by greenery, it's really pretty. It's a great sized garden in a great location, and that's the property from the rear as well. So just to summarise, this is 118 Fordell Road in Glenrothes. It's a spacious 3-bedroom terraced family home. You've got great living space, you've got great social space with that dining kitchen, you've got WC on the ground floor level as well as a couple of bedrooms, and then you've got your living space and another bedroom upstairs where the master is. Not only that, you've got off-street parking, you've got a timber garage, it's in a quiet cul-de-sac, so there's no one coming down here unless you're visiting or living here. It's in a great location. You've literally got the school just a few minutes drive away. You're literally on all the commute bus links as well into Glenrothes. You've got Thornton Station, which is just a few minutes drive away. You're then into Leven. You're then at Kirkcaldy, so you've got all the train stations taking you north and south. So great commuter links as well. You've got all the local amenities. And to have that primary school as well on your doorstep is fantastic for a young family. This one's on market with ourselves at the moment. It offers over £110,000. If it's of interest to you, you can message me here directly. And likewise, you can contact the team on 01592 75 2000. And it's Perry at 5 Properties TV. Take care. Bye-bye.